is made some changes to used a prettier upload CSV modal. I mostly just lifted this off the connections page because we really put a lot of effort into the drag and drop on the service account JSON for BigQuery. But hey, 2 years later, get to use it for something else. And if we upload something, oh, I should have demonstrated that. Whoops. Oh, hello. My backend dead. That's unfortunate. IntelliJ killed my backend. Well, that's going to take a second to come back. While that's coming back, I'll talk about a couple other things. This is shipped in the settings page. There's a page where you can see all the uploads that you have, and you can delete some. If I go back, is my backend back? It is. Hooray. Did the upload work? Okay, good.
And Stephen, remind us where these live right now.
Yeah, so right now these live in S3. And so if I go to this one that I just uploaded, and I want to delete it, it'll delete both. It'll mark it as deleted internally and delete it in S3. So I can do that. This one I just uploaded, hit delete, it's deleted. If I pop back here and query it, should error, right? It's gone. The other thing that we've done though is if I go to the workbook, I should actually see, yeah, like there's a lot of errors in this local workbook model, but this error here, this is a new thing too. This hasn't quite shipped yet, but it will. I actually am getting an error about this thing being invalid. And so then the one other thing, if I pop over here, let's go to actually to make this might be hard to tell what's happening here, but if I go to a new workbook, oh, here, let's drag it actually, just to show that it's working. Where is it? Come on, Mac. All right, there we go. Drag that, upload, and then so this is a different workbook. This workbook still has an error about the table not being found because it got uploaded to a whole different special key. If I go here, well, that's not good.
It's like your backend died again.
Did it? Oh, it really did. Wow. I think I need a new computer, guys. Rome and IntelliJ and screen sharing and demo is not.
Go to the Apple Store.
Yeah, get a. All right.
Rome and IntelliJ basically don't work.
Yeah, it comes back. All right, so backend's back. Hooray! This is the non-errored uploaded table. If I pop back over here, so it has this different identifier. If I go over here and paste this in, it now does not have an error. It found the table. That's not like a real case, really. You don't want to be manually typing, but the important thing for that is you can like revert git, basically. Like you can have one of these, switch to a new version, do a git revert, and we'll go find the old version. That's the real use case for that, not like copy pasting, but just to show that it's there and it works.
Very cool. Stephen, that UUID, that's essentially like the identifier of the CSV in the index.
Yep.
Are we doing a lot of permission checking around uses of that, both across org and across user?
So across org, yes. Across user, no. Basically the idea is that, I'm trying to say this really quick. Our reasoning was, since we want to put these in the database anyway, if we allow you to put these in the database, any query or user can see anything you put in the database. There's no way to protect against that. So we didn't want to have two tiers of permission thinking for
Yep.
things that go in the database and things that don't. So we're just same permission model. If you put this, if you upload one of these to a workbook, any query or user can see it.
If they have access to the workbook, I mean, if they have access to the workbook or somehow get access to like that file identifier, like content permission still kick it. So like if you lock the thing down and nobody sent them that ID, then you know they can't get to the workbook, so they can't get to it. Which
Oh,
for,
actually-
for what it's worth, that's how we're going to do our commissions app in Omni, is we're going to upload certain information to CSVs and lock it down in that workbook. And then people won't be able to access that workbook.
Oh, should I show the restricted query thing or should we just move on
No, go. I mean,
real quick?
these are our docs
Uh,
for now too.
One last thing, the thing that I didn't show is choose a small one this time. This is small. There's this create topic check here. So if I do this, what happens is like it not only creates the file for the CSV, it also made a topic. So it's over here in topics, and this upload is CSV's topic group. And what's important about that is, oh my God. You get to see how the sausage is made. This query down here, right, that I just uploaded on that new upload does not have this little, like this one I did without the topic has a little star, right? 'Cause it's not on a topic. This one does not. And these topics, even though they only exist in the workbook, which normally just freezes out the whole workbook, they're a special kind of topics that's just like, these are allowed for restricted queries because they're an uploaded topic and they're only allowed to be on top of a single uploaded table. And that's the little security model for this. That's it.